Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Check this out. This is the Aferiy 3600 watt hour portable power station. They just sent it to me with their foldable solar panel. Gonna hook it up here. Comes with a manual cover, and that's called a suitcase style panel. See the little handle on it? You carry it like a suitcase. It'll fold out. I'll show you that in just a minute. But there it is, the AF-P310 3600 watt hour. This is excellent for backup power. Excellent for backup power. Storms are coming on this summer. A lot of power outages all over. This replaces a generator. 3600 watt hour, you can run an AC. Matter of fact, I'm going to plug in a little air conditioner to it. You'll see it. Good manual, has different languages, but shows you the specs there. You can parallel 3 of them if you want more than one. These guys run specials. You can really get good deals on a system like this. All right, it's super early in the morning. Sun's just coming up. You know me, I get up early. See these little Velcro strips on the back? They got little folding legs too, right there. Those guys. That's what holds them together when it's bundled up, I guess you want to call it. Like a suitcase, but there's your legs. You can stand them up on their own. They even have little grommets in it for bungees. You can hang it on a tree, tie it off to your RV, anywhere. And here's the power cord. This will plug in over here to the power station. They give you about, looks like about 10-12 feet of cord. All right, let's get this thing hooked up. All right, there's all your USB ports, 2 C's, 2 A's, actually 4 C's, look at that. There's your power button right there, turn it on and off. All right, let's kick the AC on. We'll start generating 120 volts. The plugs are down here, look at that. It's even got a 30 amp RV plug and 4 20 amp like household plugs. Pretty cool. Pretty compact too, huh? All right, I'm gonna go grab this little air conditioner and plug it in. It'd be the same as a mini split. All right, bear with me. I'm doing this one-handed holding the camera. This little Toshiba came out of my old motorhome. Had it in the window. It's 6,000 BTU. Let me get her plugged in here. There you go. We're all plugged in, ready to rock and roll. Kick this thing on. It's set for 62 degrees, which the heat's on in Arizona. It is hot. Summer is almost here. Memorial Day is almost here. All right, right now the fans is kicking on. So it's only drawing about 60 watts. As soon as the compressor and the air conditioner kicks on, it should draw between 350 to 500 watts once it fires up. Okay, kicked on, 345. Normally I'll go up close to 500 once it kicks on. Good little unit. I've had this thing a long time. But this shows you, this is a great example. If you had this in a power outage, you could run a little small air conditioner, refrigerator, mini split, microwave, pretty much any appliance, 110 volt appliance in your home. Especially refrigerators and things like that. So we're still drawing 340. It's kind of cool out this morning, so the air conditioner's not going to work too hard. But pretty much any appliance in your home, during power outages or camping, anything, go out with a tent in your microwave. You got power. Alright, it's up to about 412. The solar is just now starting to kick in. I'm going to plug in shore power to it. Alright, we have both solar and shore power feeding the unit. I believe this knob here will adjust the amount of wattage, how fast you charge the battery offshore power. Look at that, 1200, 900. That's kind of cool. That dial right on the front. And I'm blocking some of the sun on the solar, but you get the idea. You can angle and change and move your solar panel around. Oh, that's ice cold coming out of this little Toshiba. Once again, this would be equal draw at about a mini split, somewhere around there. Alright, I'm going to grab my heat gun. We'll plug in a heat gun and run the air conditioner at the same time. Let's see how it handles that load. The trusty heat gun. Boy, these things get hot. They draw over 1,000 watts. But see, we're adding input. We're adding shore power and solar, so the battery's balancing itself out. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the shore power. Alright, here's without the shore power. Now we're getting 33 watts out of the solar panel. We can see it's pulling a pretty good load between the heat gun and the air conditioner. You know, the most desired appliance in the house is your hair dryer. Easily handle hair dryers. These things get hot. Look at that. It is red hot. So the AC and the heat gun. What a contrast, huh? This Aferiy battery handles it just perfectly. Alright, well, let's jump over on their website. I'll show that to you. You can see we're pulling 631 watts. Battery's not even touching it. Alright, here's their website, Aferiy.com. Here's their P310 portable power station that we've been looking at. 3600 watt, 3840 watt hours. All these companies always run deals. Always check their websites. Links will be down in the description. And then you can get an expansion battery with it. There's a 400 watt solar panel. So they always have good accessories that come with them, or their package deals, whatever. Make sure you check the websites and look for their deals. They run them all year long. You never know. Usually around holidays, but right now there's a big push because of storms, blackouts, all that. Hurricanes on the East Coast, tornadoes in the Midwest, forest fires, all kinds of stuff. Look at that. There they have 3 of them parallel together. Well made. I see a lot of batteries. This is well made. Even has a little handle and the wheels for easy rolling around. You can store it in your garage, RV, you name it. Once again, it's Aferiy.com. All right, want to thank Aferiy for sending me this nice setup. Good backup power off grid. Look at that, it even comes with a little cover. So when you store it, you can cover it up. Well made. All right, links will be down in the description. Let me move that stool out of the way. Look at the shadows, still early in the morning. Links will be down in the description. Click them if you're interested. Once again, these companies always run deals all year long. You can get you a good home backup unit, just like this one. Very affordable. Peace of mind at home. All right, talk soon.